G'day everyone, artist Wayne Dowsett here. And it's hot, it's damn hot. In fact, it's so hot you could cook an egg on my bald head. It's been so hot that our whole country of Australia, mate, has practically been on fire for months now. Which is probably the reason nobody wanted to ride with me today. Except for Jesse. I would cut wildflowers for you, Borman. And because it was so hot, and trust me, it was hot. In fact, it was so hot, I saw a bird pulling a worm out of the ground with an oven mitt. That's how hot it was. Which begs the question, why were we riding a trail like this on a day as hot as it was? I mean, it was so hot and humid today, and we were riding in what appeared to be the jungles of Cambodia. Obviously, whoever organised a ride like this on a day like today has some screws loose. They're knitting with only one needle. There's a few roos loose in the top paddock. But like I said, there were only two of us riding today, and it wasn't Jesse who organised this loop, because he comes from Sydney. So if it wasn't Jesse, that only leaves... never mind. It doesn't matter who organised it, we're here now. Now, after doing all the single trails in Lemon Tree of the Watagans State Forest, and then riding on to Tunks Trail, and then the big climb out of Tunks, we did all the single trails until we rode down the Ladder of Mordor, where we were looping back around towards Heartbreak Hill and the Ramp of Death. It was now getting hotter, and mistakes were easier to make. You alright? And there's not really a ride that goes by that I don't have to do some kind of work to my Yamaha. Now I'd planned for Jesse and I to finish the day riding down Sphincter Pucker Hill, which would bring us right out at his car. But we were so stuffed that we thought it wise to main trail it back out. And that's when I got a rear flat, and it took us so long to change because we were absolutely stuffed. But them's the brakes, boys and girls, them's the brakes. I'm artist Wayne Dowson, and a little piece of me died today.